proceed to the.
We have been involved with the church for a very long time, right from my father's time. And my father used to tell me that you should see the way our fathers and the church, when they do any work or construction, he was specifically referring to. He said, you give them even a small amount of support, and they can create wonders out of it. So he used to jokingly tell me that they're one of the best contractors, and other contractors must learn from them. And it is so true. You know, God's blessing, of course, is there, but it is the passion with which they do things. It is a passion with which the church does things. There is a sense of purpose in everything that they do, and that is what really makes the difference. And therefore, today, what we are seeing, small support and help given from the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, and you can see the kind of infrastructure that has come out, but more importantly, the kind of service that will be given to the people who need it the most. And that's really the most satisfying part for me to see. And that is what encourages me and motivates me to always support and be there, because this is something that has got a lot of meaning, a lot of passion, a lot of purpose, and that's really what makes the difference in anything that you do in life. So therefore, I must thank our most respected Archbishop for his guidance, his prayers, and his blessings always with each and every one of us. And it is through your prayers and through your guidance that we are always inspired and directed to be with the people and serve the people and serve the church as far as we can. And then also at the same time, this entire health center that has come up, I'm sure will make a huge difference in the people's lives. And I can assure you that we will support to ensure that it is fully complete. I know that it still requires equipments, furnitures, the road approach to it. So therefore, I've seen it with my own eyes. Therefore, let me assure you that we will continue to support Jowai area and the Gentiles as a whole. I was just discussing with the Honorable MLA when we were sitting there that we will be laying the foundation, and the approval has been given for the mini secretariat for 20 crores. And this setup should be something that will be really change the way the administration is done out here. For Jowai beautification, we have just sanctioned 12 crores, which would mean that the main centers that are there, in fact, tender has already been allotted, work has already been allotted, and works will start soon, where main junctions, the beautification of the junctions will be done. We have also just approved 23 crores for internal Jowai roads under the World Bank project. We have just approved 35 crores for the tourism development project for Jowai area and surrounding area, mostly the Tadlaskan area. We've also got approval from central government for about 55 crores for Jowai bypass. The state government has also sanctioned, and work is going on for the road that leads towards Amlanem. I'm sure most of you must have seen. It was in a very bad shape. 44 crores was sanctioned from the government. Work has started, and we expect it to finish soon. Here itself in Mintudu, this RIDF road of 5 crores for the village has also been sanctioned, and that work also, I think, tender process is just going on, so we should see. We have also sanctioned the post for the NCH hospital, and therefore, most probably in about a month's time, we'll be coming for the inauguration of that too, with complete manpower and all the sanctioned posts, so that the NCH hospital can function smoothly. This was, of course, supposed to be done a long time back, but because of COVID, we had a lot of challenges and we could not take it forward. And also, Jowai and West Gentiles districts happens to be the only district that actually has 2 oxygen plants running out here. So even in the COVID situation, the challenge we faced because of the oxygen, we managed to put up 2 oxygen plants in Jowai. So overall, as you can see, we have really focused on the area, and very close to about 250 crores of works have been sanctioned, and works are going on in and around Jowai town. So therefore, a huge push has been done, and this has been made possible obviously because of all the support from all the society, the people, and the representatives like our local MLA, who is also a very persistent person. I was telling Archbishop just now that apart from Father Hilarious, I think the second most persistent person is that our most respected Archbishop has got some other programs to attend back in Shillong, so I will not take much time. But I first of all, of course, would like to thank him for always involving me in the works that are being done while he was here in the diocese. Always concerned about the region, the people, and he would always communicate with me and share with me his concerns, and that is a solution. And therefore, it's something that he has been very persistent and always involved me, and I'd like to thank him for doing that. I would also like to thank all the Reverend Fathers, especially Father Hilarious, who's also been somebody who has always been very concerned and always involved me in different issues that concern the diocese out here and the general public as a whole. And also at the same time, all the members of the Society of St. Vincent de Paul who are also very active, and the reason that we are here today, I would like to thank you all also for inviting me to this program. So once again, I thank all of you, and I wish the Society of Vincent de Paul the best for the future, and that we assure you that we have here to support you and do everything possible while you serve the people in the society at large. So with these few words, once again I thank all of you, and I wish the society the very best.